Hello, my name is Kathy and I'm the art teacher from Art Projects for Kids. I'm very happy to say that over the years it's helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Hey, if you've ever wondered what it'd be like to draw yourself as a cartoon, it just might be easier than you think. I've got some great tips to share with you, so let's get started. The supplies you're going to need for this project are a sheet of drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and a few colored markers. You can also download and print this helpful tutorial from my website. Before you begin, I always recommend taking a moment to fold your paper to get some lines that match my tutorial. All you have to do is fold your paper in half both ways and then make a crease. When you open it back up, you'll have lines that match my tutorial, which really help you see where to draw. Step number 1. Cartoon heads are usually extra large, and this one is no exception. It's going to take up the top half of the paper like this. Make a mark near the top and slowly draw half the circle on one side, and then when you're done, draw the other side, matching it as best as you can. Next, come two big oval eyes that go right here. They are angled just a bit, and I think they kind of look like big, large jelly beans. When the big ovals are done, add smaller ones inside. My eyes are looking forward, but you could certainly make yours look up or down if you want. Step number 2. Finish the eyes with some simple lines and then add a nose in between them. Step number 3. This cartoon mouth has a kind of sideways look to it. Start with 2 lines like this. Then finish it with a teeth line and 2 other lines like this. It's pretty simple. Step number 4. Add a small ear on the right and a larger one on the left. This one sets in the head a little bit to make it look like the head is turned. That ear can get some lines inside it to give it a little more detail. When you're done, erase that headline inside the ear so it doesn't look like it's see-through or something. Step number 5. Now it's time to draw your hair. I'm making a side part on my head, but you might have bangs or even shorter hair too. Just do your best to draw your own. To finish the hair, now draw the outside shape. I'm adding a part line and then the side and then the top of the hair. If yours is longer, you might want to make those lines go around and down past to the ears. Now it's important to take a moment to erase the headline inside the hair so you don't accidentally trace it in a moment. Step number 6. To continue making this head look extra big, a very small neck needs to go underneath. Now the body can start off very simple, just curved lines for the arms. And then some lines inside to make the sleeves and one to make the bottom of the shirt. Step number 7. To start the pants, add pocket lines below and then a couple of lines that show the hands are going inside. Draw 2 lines down for the outside of the pants and then 2 lines inside. A curve at the bottom will finish them off. Next come the shoes. I'm starting with one facing to the right and then one facing to the left. All you need to do to finish the shoes is to add a line inside, one near the toe, and a couple for shoelaces. When one side is done, then finish the other the same way. Now that the body is finished, I'd like to show you with my pencil where long hair might go. If it does go down past the shoulders, it's helpful to draw that last so it can go behind the body. Step number 8. Now it's time to trace all those pencil lines with a good black marker. Try to work slowly so all your lines really show up well. It will also help you when you're coloring them in a moment. Before you put that black marker away, it's the perfect tool to fill in those eyes. Alright, now it's time to color, but it's really smart to take a moment here and erase any extra pencil lines that might still be showing. Okay, it's coloring time, and I'm going to start with the skin. I like this Stabila brand because it does have a couple of different good choices for skin colors. Remember, you do need to fill in the neck and those hands too. Next comes the hair color. Try to work slowly so that you can get a nice solid color without any white spots showing. Next, pick a color for your shirt. Remember, as a self-portrait, it might be fun to turn this into one shirt that you do like to wear. And you could do the same for your shoes. And last but not least are the pants. If you work slowly, going back and forth like this, you'll probably get your best results. The goal is to have one layer of color everywhere so it looks nice and even. And this cartoon portrait drawing is finished. You know, if you remember to make sure that you draw your head really big and give yourself some big eyes and a simple mouth like this, along with your other features, you're bound to have a really fun drawing of yourself. You can always find more projects like this on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw a Lego self-portrait and how to draw a Minecraft self-portrait. Thanks so much for coming, and I hope you keep on drawing.